welcome back to our channel, and we are in Neom Lavender.
Oh, let's
I
go
mean,
in.
the lavender. Welcome here to see lavender field. Ani hunted though. Let's go and check it out.
Okay. Ani, wait, please sorry.
Ani te. So the lavender field
Field farm, whatever
looks
you
like
call
this.
it. Beautiful. No, it's actually beautiful. That will be about us.
But Khachishalana, it's out of season now.
It's almost like we are 2 weeks late. And we should have come by July 1st week.
De Instagram par gaya sa de. De par gaya, baby. De par gaya.
Ready for the picture. Aina.
Ready for the picture.
Our baby first lavender field visit.
Though
tummy macha, she's inside. Taru hami. Mommy's tummy macha, and here we are in the lavender field. Abo yo yei cheese. Hami, if we had come before 3 weeks, it would look so awesome, beautiful. Most of the plants are like dried up. Flowers are by so it's still beautiful.
Yeah, baby.
It's still beautiful. ठीक छ? Yeah. कस्तो लाग्दैछ?
Yummy.
मजा आउँदैछ? It's windy है? यो चाहिँ हाम्रो अब उसको फोटो खिच्ने टाइम हो.
Photo session.
अनि त्यहाँ kids are running around. I know they love. Beautiful. नानीहरूलाई त जे पनि मजा आइहाल्छ नि.
Okay.
अनि यहाँ ग्रीन हाउस रहेछ. मैं उड़ता चला पंछी गगन नीले उमर पे. I like that ठेला है यहाँ पछाडि हेर नानी. That small ठेला is there. Oh, ठेला माया lavender field मा lavender color को ice cream.
चलो ice cream खाओ बच्चों लोग.
Baby don't touch anything. हाँ खत्म हो गया?
Lavender
field में आया हूँ तो lavender का ही चाहिए.
अच्छा. ये ले लो lavender ice cream. 10 रुपया.
Thank you. Oh, nice. कस्तो मिठो.
Looks like ice cream bowl.
ठेला है त हो. Nice. यो दामी आउँछ. म क्या हाँसु डो उठ्यो. जिस्केको त साँच्चीको आइसक्रिमको ठेला पो रहेछ.
Cold drinks, ice cream. झिङ्गे यो न फेसो.
सबै भएको रहेछ. ल अब यहाँ त. Good. Oh, lavenders. Yeah.
Lavender tomato.
कस्तो छ हेरौँ. सुक्दा? आहा, त्यो अलिक ड्राई भइसकेछ क्या. यस्तो अझै 2 हप्ता 3 हप्तातिर आएको भए. Real struggle हुँदैछ बिचारा. I always have to give my hand.
1,
2, 3. Pregnant woman को life चाहिँ it's not easy रहेछ क्या. Struggle छ चाहिँ. Struggle is real है. पुरा सानो struggle रहेछ. अनि there's so many people coming in here.
$10 for.
Not $10, it's $5. And then you get a 5. I know, but still it's worth it.
Still people are coming.
तिम्रो सबसे रड्डी चाहिँ त्यही भएछ अनि
What?
आई केम इन यस्तो खालको अब कट टी सर्टमा आएर जलेर अब चाहिँ
It's 20.
24 degrees Celsius today, so it's not that cold. It's quite warm. तर अब स्विमिङ गर्ने हाम्रो प्लान छ यसको पछि त्यो चाहिँ पोसिबल हुन्छ कि हुँदैन अब पानीको टेम्परेचर मात्रै चेक गरेर थाहा पाउँछ सरी अन्त अब नेक्स्ट टाइम चाहिँ तपाईँहरूलाई वाट वी गर्न सो एस यहाँ पछाडि हेर्नुहोस् दिस इज सनफ्लावर फिल्ड सो अब जस्तै फल्स आउँछ आफ्टर सेप्टेम्बर लाइक या अगस्त एन्ड यहाँ चाहिँ सनफ्लावर हेभी ब्लुम हुन्छ एन्ड द्याट्स ग्रेप्स स्ट्रबेरिजहरूको फार्महरू Oh, it's a big farm.
Really big.
Really big farm.
Oh, so season here, right? This lavender season is just over.
Oh,
And it's gonna come
Sunflower. It's a beautiful thing. Hey, there are like so many other farms, honey. अझै थुप्रै फार्म्सहरू छ.
Yeah, so Niagara Falls.
आयो भने.
Niagara Falls.
It's Niagara on the lake.
Yeah.
Not exactly Niagara Falls.
Falls Lena Niagara on the lake. Wine tasting the. And so. Sad thing I don't drink so
we don't drink wine. I drink just beer.
Taste yeah. There are so many places where you can taste very expensive.
Not expensive, they are good wines. I mean
expensive and good.
Dami छ.
On the taste here you really Niagara Falls la.
के भयो यति हाँसेको अनि अब लेभेन्डर फार्म त अहिले भयो होइन 1 आवरको ट्रिप मात्रै हो अनि यसको पछि चाहिँ वेरी गोना गो
Swimming.
अब वी आर गोइङ टु स्विमिङ आफ्टर दिस टु अ बीच कुन चाहिँ बीच सनसेट बीच जाने कि देयर इज वन बीच इन पोर्ट डलहाउसी भन्ने एउटा बीच दामी गरेको छ के विल गो देयर स्विम फर अ व्हाइल अनि देन वी सुकेको छ बट इट्स अल ड्राइड अप त्यो चाहिँ एकदमै दुःख लाग्दो भयो बट सरी अगर 2 विक्स अगाडि आएको भए चाहिँ त्योभन्दा पनि राम्रो हुन्छ Oh, nice. यो चाहिँ के हो एम्प्लोय ओन्ली आई थिङ्क के इरिगेसन सिस्टम हो कि के हो पहिलाको टाइममा छाङ बनाउने पट जस्तो रहेछ क्या यस्तो हुन्थ्यो क्या सबै फार्म जुलाई फर्स्ट विक यस्तो खालको ब्लोम भएर भयो ब्युटिफुल देख्थ्यो नट ब्याड ओइ बी रहेछ है बीज सो मेनी बीज कत्रो रहेछ what if they sting you then you'll have a swollen face and that's not good you still त्यहाँ चाहिँ के एन्टिक्सहरूको केही रहेछ के पुरानो टाइपको बनाइरहेछ उहाँहरूको फ्यामिलीहरू पुरा उयो छ दामी लाग्दैछ
구멍하게 와우처 드는 얘도 돼. 구멍아 건조이 after 아니 드네 잘라 하리 녀에 드시네. I don't like lavender much.
I like it, but then पनि कस्तो हुन्छ भनेर चाहिँ मलाई उयो लाग्छ
ती मोटर तिन
वाउ मोटर पनि भिन्टेज मोटर रहेछ है ल अनि त्यसो यसमै जाउँ अहिले घर
Come here to order some lunch. We have packed our lunch. Can I lunch car? Where's your lunch? Now we are heading to
the
beach. We'll see you there. Push it back. Reached the back to Japan. We have reached to the beach and the beach is the खदेगा हुन्छ अरे
यस्तो राम्रो वेदर आइभएछ हौ
यहाँ
अनि
समर इन्डियर त समर
बिस्तारै
ए
त्यहाँ माथि चढाहरू पनि समर मान्छेहरूलाई मात्रै छैन चढाहरू त्यहाँ पनि people are swimming out there मान्छेहरू खेलिरहेछ it's beautiful beach हैन अनि quiet not many people it's nice आफ्नो आफ्नो जसकोमा बोट हुन्छ they can just bring their boat अनि हैन उयो छ डकयार्ड छ अन्त त्यहाँबाट they just take the boat off it's beautiful okay and that's two lighthouse त त्यहाँबाट lighthouse रहेछ त्यहाँबाट lighthouse छ and there is my woman whom I love the most I love you I said सबैले and I love our baby it's beautiful look each मान्छेको पर्सनल पोर्ट्रेटहरु सबैको रहेछ अन्त स्वाटै घुमेर
समोसा पर्सनल हजुर
आफ्नो one day we'll also have it hopefully यो चाहिँ एकदम ब्युटिफुल सिटी छ के सेन्ट क्याथरिन्सको ब्युटिफुल सिटी छ
and
भन्छ where ooh beautiful boats yeah meter यहाँ दामी देखा नि
go and have some ice cream
you scream I scream we all scream for ice cream अनि
I wanna have some ice cream.
So where you heading now
Ice cream's out there.
La it's called Old Port
Dairy Bar.
It's dairy la dairy bar tell us let's see what you have inside
Put your mask on, please.
yes I see you wearing a mask they don't want me to wear a mask I'm good I won't come inside
Oh no. Finally.
What do you want to have? What's
It's so good.
Old Port Dairy ma आउनु पर्ने रहेछ कस्तो लाग्दैछ
मिठो रिफ्रेशिङ दामी
it's double triple chocolate हैन
यहाँ
कस्तो राम्रो ठाउँ रहेछ पिता ब्युटिफुल देखिरहेछ यार हामी गए तँलाई मिठो राम्रो लाग्यो यस्तो राम्रो वेदर हो आज म I want to go back and swim again अझै नुहाउनु मन पर्यो क्या and the kids are practicing उयो skateboard यस्तो राम्रो देखिन्छ
Now we are on the way back to home. Huh?
Yeah.
We had
great
fun so much fun today. We had a great day.
Unplanned थियो नि
Yeah.
so
Unplanned.
बेसी राम्रो हुँदो रहेछ अनि हामी
मोटरकी क्याप्लो त ताहरयो मरे खसिना नगान्छु we are moving
to a new place.
to a new place अनि चला into क्याप्लो
सबै छ त्यसमा।
yeah
It has
So,
dishwasher, it has
excuse the background अनि we're gonna end this vlog here अनि कुची
Like.
कुची नेगी भिडियो ताई like share to the share to the subscribe to me please don't forget to subscribe
अन्त नेपाली
subscribe.
भ्युअर्सहरूलाई भनिदिइरहेको छु प्लिज लाइक गरिदिनुहोस् सेयर गर्नु सब्सक्राइब गरिदिनुहोस् ताकि हामी मोर मोटिभेटेड हौँ र
Yeah.
we are going to make more better videos in the future होइन with lot of varieties in our content so stick with us guys and
stick with us and please don't forget to subscribe
to our channel.
and share like and share and subscribe yeah ani subscribe ta share like share to mo majuro na ani nganzu gi next video dela jeo till then take care bye bye and
peace out
peace out